Welcome to my channel Glory with Mathematics. Please subscribe, like and share.
Dear students, let us start the chapter comparing quantities. All of you know about ratios, percentage, discount, simple interest like this in your previous classes. Here in this class we shall discuss first about ratios and percentage. Just to recall ratios and percentage what you have learned in earlier classes. So ratio means ratio is to compare two quantities. So let take an example. Let there are 5 oranges and 20 apples in a basket. Then first question is, what is the ratio of the number of oranges to the number of apples? What is the ratio of number of oranges to the number of apples? So it can be denoted as the number of oranges is 5. 5 is to the number of apple is 20. So 5 is to 20. So we use fraction to find a ratio. That means the ratio is 5 by 20. So this is equal to 1 by 4. So 1 is to 4. So it can be said in other ways that the number of oranges is 1/4 of the number of apples. So let us second question is, what is the ratio of number of apples to the number of oranges? What is the ratio of number of apples to the number of oranges? It is 20:5, or this can be written as 20 by 5, that is equal to 4:1, or we can write it as the number of apples is 4 times than the number of oranges. So these are all about ratios. So then let us discuss about percentages from the same question. Next question. One question is there, what is the percentage of oranges in the basket? So we can find the percentage by the ratio or by unitary method. So first from the ratio. First, what is the ratio of the number of oranges to the total number of fruits? This is 5 is to total number of fruits is 25, or that is equal to 1:5. So we can convert it into percentage. How? So the ratio is 1/5. we have to make the denominator 100. So here if we multiplied with 20, numerator also by 20, that becomes 20 by 100. So the percentage is 20%. Percentage is 20. Or the percentage of the number of oranges to the total number of fruit is 20%. Then what is in alternative way we can find it is by unitary method. So out of 25, 5 are oranges. Then percentage means percent. Out of 100, how many oranges are there? So out of 100, the percentage is 5 by 25 multiplied with 100. So this is equal to 20. So out of 100, 20 are oranges. So that means the percentage of orange is 20. So the percentage can be calculated like this. Let us solve one example. The question is like this. A picnic is being planned in a school for class 7. Girls are 60% of the total number of students and are 18 in number. The picnic site is 55 km from the school and the transport company is charging at the rate of rupees 12 per kilometer. The total cost of refreshment will be rupees 4,280. So the questions based on this data is like this. The first question is the ratio of the number of girls to the number of boys. Here in this data there are 3 questions and all the questions are based on ratios and percentage. So we should apply here the methods of ratios and percentage. How to calculate ratios and how to calculate percentage. So first question, we will solve these 3 questions one by one. The ratio of the number of girls to the number of boys. Here only the number of girls is present. That number of girls is 18. But percentage of girls is 60%. So we can find the number of boys in 2 ways. So first method, let the total number of students is x. So what is the 60% of x? 60 by 100 multiplied with x. So 60% of x is equal to 80. So this implies we can simplify this or we can convert it into lowest form. So this becomes 3 by 5. So 3 by 5x is equal to 80. So this implies 3x is equal to 90. So this implies x is equal to 30. So the total number of students is 30. So what is the number of boys? Is equal to 30 minus 18. This is equal to 12. So in another method also we can find this. So let 60% is the number of girls, means out of 100 students 60 are girls. 60 are girls. Next method, second method. 60 are girls out of 100. So 18 are girls out of 100 by 60 multiplied with 80. So this is equal to 5 by 3 multiplied with 80. So this is also 30. So the total number of students is 30. So number of boys minus 18 is equal to 12. But the question is the ratio of the number of girls to the number of boys. So ratio of the number of girls to the number of boys. So this is equal to 18 is to 12, or that is equal to 3 is to 2. So the ratio is 3 is to 2. Let us solve the second part. The question is the cost per head if 2 teachers are also going with the class. So first we have to find what is the total cost for picnic. So here the picnic site is 55 km from the school, and the transport company is charging at the rate of rupees 12 per kilometer. So the transport should be in both the ways. That means we have to travel 55 plus 55 multiplied with 12, rupees 12 per kilometer. So this is the transport. So is equal to 110 multiplied with 12. So this is equal to rupees. So this is for transport amount is equal to rupees 1320, and refreshment charge, it is given refreshment charge is equal to rupees 4280. So total cost for picnic is equal to rupees 1320 plus rupees 4280 is equal to rupees 5600. Then what is the total number of participants? So total number of participants is equal to total number of students plus 2 teachers. So already we have calculated in our previous answer, that is the total number of students is 30 plus 2. So this is equal to 32. So for 32 participants the total cost is 5600. So the cost per head is equal to rupees 5600 divided by 32. So this is equal to rupees 175. So this is the cost per head if teachers are also going with the class. Next, the third part. If their first stop is at a place 22 km from the school, what percent of the total distance of 25 km is this? So the ratio, first we have to find the ratio. The ratio of 22 km to 55 km is 22 by 55. So this is equal to 2 by 5. If we convert it into percentage, then we have to multiply 20 by 20. So this is equal to 40 by 100. So the percentage of 22 km from out of 55 km is 40%. So in other way also we can find the second method. So out of 55 km they traveled, the first stop is 22 km. So out of 100 km, The stop is 22 by 55 multiplied with 100. So this is equal to 2 by 5 multiplied with 100. So this is equal to 40 percentage. Out of 100, this is 40 means that is 40 percentage. So percentage is 40. But the question is asked, what percent of the distance is left to be covered? If they have already traveled 40%, then what is the percentage of the distance is left? Total is 100%. Already they traveled 40%. Then the percentage of the distance left is equal to 100 minus 40. 100 percentage minus 40 percentage is equal to 60%. So 60 percentage distance is left after first stop. In this way, you can solve questions based on percentage and ratios.